Okay, let's talk about how to manage that silent fire that might be burning inside you.
Do you ever feel this deep, unexplained fatigue, the kind that just won't go away?
Well, the culprit could be inflammaging. Think of it as a hidden, slow-burning fire inside your body.
See, we now know your real age isn't what's on your passport, it's actually in your blood.
So what causes this? One big reason is something called zombie cells that linger and release toxins.
Another is a leaky gut, especially with all the processed snacks so common in urban India now.
But here's the good news. You absolutely have the power to fight back. The key is this. You can quench this fire. So, let's get into your toolkit with 3 powerful, simple steps. First, fortify your gut. Traditional foods like dahi and idli help build a strong defense wall.
Next, build your factory. When you move, your muscles pump out amazing anti-inflammatory proteins.
And third, calm your world. Simple breathing exercises like pranayama can lower the stress that fuels this fire.
And these small changes have a real impact. One study showed cocoa flavanols lowered inflammation by 8.4%.
So the takeaway is simple. You have the tools to control this fire. Just always consult your geriatrician.